And this is not a political statement. I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart, and there are facts to support it. Just last year, very short notice, he was here to participate in the official opening of this facility. Barely 2 months after that, he was also in our homeland. On both occasions, there was an event that has been uppermost in our minds and hearts. Your Excellency, it is my pleasure to announce, I don't want to say declare, because there might be here to declare. It is my pleasure to announce that you are a son of Koniju Town. Your Excellency, you are a son. Whether you like it or not, you are a son. But I know you like it. Because we are good people. We don't forget our friends. We protect our own. Love us, we love you in return. Barely 3 days ago. 3 days ago. I sent His Excellency a letter of invitation. Only 3 days ago. That he was positively disposed to come in here today. I sent a message of thank you to him. He immediately called me. Can you imagine the humility? Just to call me, but to ask me, Chief, did you think I wouldn't want to come? The governor was asking me, Chief, how could you have thought I wouldn't want to come? There was no need to thank me so profusely. It's not just the mark of a humble man. Mark of a man that locked down. Nevertheless, we are a strong family in Koniju Town. When this facility was opened last year, Your Excellency, you participated in it. When the declarations were made, you were part of it. In any strong family, expect agreement. My late father used to say, it is only people with inferior minds, people with lazy minds, people with minds that are not virile, that do not have arguments. Only people that do not have arguments. In any family where you have people with virile minds, where you have thoughtful people, where you have intelligent people, you are bound to have arguments. But, please, Your Excellency, rest assured that you are our son. Rest assured, too, that this is not the time for us to fan the embers of conflict and disunity. This is not the time. Rather, we play our traditional role as peacekeepers and peacemakers, and as people who want to maintain the integrity of our family. The strength in the cohesiveness of our families, we all... Your Excellency, you are a very intelligent man, I know. In my brief interface with you, I can say that with confidence. You're a very intelligent man. You are a true Christian, not just a knight for the sake of being a knight. You are a true Christian. Your comments, your attitudes show. Welcome again. As our son this time, as a son of Koniju Town. Welcome to Koniju Town. Enjoy your visit. I say the same to the chiefs and people that are here. Amiesiamaka!